Okay, it is 11:56 a.m. This is a Sunday. I think our InSinkErator or garbage disposal finally crapped out. I'm trying to replace it with another one. I'm trying to remove this existing InSinkErator. I've got my flashlight in here, and it's in 3/4 power. Not really so old, probably about 10 years old unit or something like that, or maybe less than that. But it went haywire, so I'm in the process of trying to replace this thing with another Badger, a Badger model. It's about the same horsepower. So let's see how it goes. Hopefully I can use this existing collar here and not have to replace that, so I don't have to mess around with the plumber's putty. But I've already loosened up these connections that leads to the plumbing outlet here to the drain, and I have this trusty Halloween bucket, so we'll see how this works.